In March, the government imposed a national lockdown, resulting in an economic downturn. Many businesses in the tourism sector suffered a loss in income and job cuts due to the lockdown. But over the past month, some insurers have committed to interim relief payments, following an agreement reached between financial sector authorities and large short-term insurers. This is about their customers' business interruption insurance policies. However, some insurers insist that they require legal certainty regardless of the interim payments.
Due to the pressure that the FSCA has put on these insurers and the Prudential Authority, we've seen several of them make relief payments or interim payments, and some of them have also made settlements. The relief payments were supposed to be based on what the FSCA said was supposed to focus on the SMMEs. So that definition is anyone with turnover 50 million and below, and to focus on the tourism and hospitality sector.
Financial regulators are concerned about the ill treatment of policyholders by large insurers. They say their continued refusal to settle valid claims is causing reputational damage on the sector at large.
The credibility of the short-term insurance industry is in shreds at the moment as a consequence of this. If we don't have these payments paid out, there are a variety of companies that are impacted of different sizes and scale. The problem is that the longer they don't get paid out, the more they go into distress and failure. And what really should have happened was that these payouts should have occurred relatively early. Rather than trying to rely on government support, these are the private arrangements you take out exactly to prevent having to go with a begging bowl to government to bail you out. These insurance policies are created to keep businesses going in times of crisis. And these were very viable businesses. South Africa's tourist industry, hospitality industry is a huge asset to South Africa and and really needs to stay open. They're a very important part of paying taxes at the end of the day. Overall, the industry is about 8.5% of GDP. It's a massive industry. And the longer we allow it to hemorrhage, the less likely we are to have, we're going to impact on its viability, certainly in the medium term.
Businesses in the tourism and hospitality sector say they have been knocked hard and are not able to continue their premiums. The litigation case against Santam is due to be heard in the Western Cape High Court on 1st September. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.